How to buy Ripple on Robinhood. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So what you're going to do is you're going to navigate to our crypto option over here at the bottom on the second icon. And over here we should be able to see on the top section that we have a search bar. So if you select the search bar over here, we should be able to search XRP and it should show you cryptos over here of XRP options over here as you can see. And then you will be able to see the value and our position. So we could either buy and sell. So what you're simply going to select is buy. After that, a pop-up would appear on what we would be able to, or where we will be able to enter our, how much we want to purchase. So simply enter that, then you will be able to press review. And you should be able to see how much XRP you will receive, the buy spread, and the total cost, and so on and so forth. And just simply swipe up for your order to be reviewed or submitted. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.